Good morning, students. Today we will do EVS class 1st chapter 4. First we see the objectives. Students will able to learn about animals are of different size, animals live in a different places and animals move in a different ways. We see many animals around us. All of them are different from each other. Let us study them. Animals are of different size. Some animals are small while some are big. Animals like elephant, horse, lion and giraffe are big. Some birds are also big in size. For example, ostrich. See, lion, elephant are big animals. For an example, giraffe, tiger. Okay, so they are called the big animals. Now the next, some animals such as dog, cat, fox are small animals. Birds like pigeon and crow are also small animals. Now see sparrow. So sparrow is a small bird. Okay, see the picture size. So size of a sparrow is a small. So they are called as small birds. For an example, parrot, crow, pigeon. Okay, so they are called as small birds. Now see, some insect like bees, ant, butterflies and grasshopper are very small animals. Now see grasshopper, butterfly. See the size, they are very small animals, okay? Animals live in a different places. Some animals live on land, for example, deer, then the next one giraffe, lion and the next one is elephant. So these are the animals, they live on land. Okay, ये हमारी तरह land पे रहते हैं. कोई कोई animals fish वो सारे water में रहते हैं ना. So ये animal land पे रहते हैं. Okay, some animals live in water. For example, fish, then octopus and turtle. So these are the animals, they live in water. Okay, इन लोग वाटर में रहते. अगर हम लोग इफ़ दे लिव ऑन लैंड, अगर वो लैंड पे रहने लगे देन दे विल डाई. ओके, सो दे लिव इन वाटर. सम एनिमल्स लिव इन ट्रीज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल बर्ड्स, मंकी एंड स्क्वेरल. सो दीज आर द एनिमल्स दे लिव इन ट्रीज. ओके, आपके घर के आसपास में कभी कभी हमें ट्रीज पे स्क्वेरल देखने मिलती है. ओके, so these are the animals, they live in tree. Some animals live both on land and in water. For example, frog and crocodile. So कोई animals होता है जो water में भी रहते हैं और जो land पे भी रहते हैं. Okay, for an example, frog water में भी रह सकते हैं और frog land पे भी रहते हैं. So students, if you have any confusion then you can ask me. Okay, thank you.